In Contents, turn off all layers, except for the topographic base map and counties. Choose Analysis, Geoprocessing, Tools to open the Geoprocessing pane. Examine the 3 tabs at the top of the window and click each one in turn. In the Geoprocessing pane, click the Favorites panel again. Enter Statistics in the search box. Mouse over the Summary Statistics tool to learn what it does. Click the Summary Statistics tool to open it. Hover over the blue circled question mark to see a short description of the tool. Then click the circle to open the tool help in the browser window. Minimize the browser. Hover near a parameter box and a circled eye will appear. Hover over the eye to see a description of the parameter.